Welcome. Today, we're going to tell you more about our Mailblaze dashboard and how to utilize comparative data filters. The Mailblaze dashboard offers you an overview of your overall account and gives you the opportunity to see your high-level stats in one place across campaigns. By using the dashboard, you can improve your reporting and get a holistic view on your email marketing efforts. When you log into your Mailblaze account, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. The first part of your dashboard is the overview, which was designed to give you all the main account level stats you need to ensure that you stay on top of your email marketing activities. The overview section includes the following all-time stats, namely your subscriber count across the number of lists, the number of campaigns and templates, automations, transactional emails, active surveys, as well as the number of customized forms you have. You'll also see a to-do task panel on the right-hand side of your screen. The to-do task panel is the recommended actions you should take when you first create your account to ensure you are sending out exceptional campaigns. It also helps you to get to know the platform a little better. If you click on any of the incomplete to-do items, you'll be taken directly to an article to help you understand how to complete the to-do. If we click through here, we'll get to an article on how we create surveys. For this example, let's say the create your first survey item has not been checked, as we haven't created a survey. The system will automatically redirect you to an article on how to create one. As you complete actions, the to-do items will be ticked off. Let's run through all of them quickly. First up, verifying your domain. Domain verification is a way for you to prove to a subscriber's email server that the Mailblaze IPs that are sending your email have permission to do so. Essentially, you're telling the inboxes that you are who you say you are. Verification is crucial to enhance your email deliverability. If you are moving from a different email sending platform, you'll want to ensure that these verification settings are updated. Next is create your first survey. Surveys can have thousands of different use cases, like helping you gauge your customer satisfaction with your product or service. Surveys can also help you to connect with your community and gather valuable insights to propel your business forward. The third item is the Customize All Your Forms item. You can customize your forms at list level by going to the specific list in your account and then clicking on the Forms and Email section, where you'll be able to do all your customization. Mailblaze allows you to set up and customize your own forms, pages, and emails that are associated with the subscription workflow. This includes the items associated with subscribing, unsubscribing, profile updating, and forwards. If you want to find out more, just click through to our dedicated resource, which outlines each category. You should always customize these items by individual lists to give your subscribers the most consistent experience. The next item that's recommended is to set up an automation. Automations are email journeys or email streams you set up in your account. These journeys are activated based on a subscriber's actions or inaction, and will tell the platform to send out your curated emails based on this behavior. You can learn more about automation in our video, How to Set Up an Automation. For now, if you don't want to use the automation feature, we recommend considering at least setting up your welcome email for your main list. You can use our predefined welcome automation template if you need some guidance on how to set up your welcome email. The last item is integrating transactional emails. Transactional emails are not required by every kind of business and therefore is only available to clients who are on a 10,000 subscriber package or more monthly. Transactional emails are set up through our API. By using the API, you can connect your internal system with the Mailblaze system and send out unique emails based on a subscriber's request or transaction-based action. An example of a transactional email is an order confirmation email or even a password reset email. There are many more uses for the transactional email section, so if you're unsure, please feel free to reach out to our team to discuss your needs. That's the to-do panel covered. Let's move on to reporting. The dashboard has some amazing reporting options and powerful filters you can use. Here, we've incorporated high-level reporting for you, which when combined with the comparative reporting filters give you the ability to spot patterns of subscriber engagements across campaigns. As an example, you can spot trends over time across different campaign types, and then filter further to see whether a particular campaign had more engagements against a specific other campaign. Looking at your results in this way can allow you to incorporate elements from the performing campaign into your future campaigns or edit out elements from your campaigns that might not be driving engagement. You'll want to ensure you're always looking for ways in which to improve your performance so you keep growing. Ultimately, it's up to you what you'd like to look at, but you were able to use the filters created to see your performance achieved over time. To use the dashboard reporting, we'll want to set our date range for the period we want the data to appear. There are multiple date range options to choose from, and we can also set a custom date range if we want to. Next, we'll select the campaign type we want to look at by choosing between campaign, automation, or transactional by clicking on the drop-down. By default, campaigns will be selected. Once we've chosen an option here, we can choose whether we want to look at all the campaigns within that campaign type, or we can select specific campaigns. If we don't choose any specific campaigns, the platform will automatically default to show us the information for all campaigns during the period we selected. Now we can select or deselect any of the key metrics in the graph to exclude or include the data. By default, all the metrics will show, so we will need to click on the metric or metrics we don't want to see. Let's take a look at a real example. Say we would like to exclude unsubscribes and subscribes when we look at the data here. To do that, we will need to deselect unsubscribes and subscribes so that they don't appear in the graph. Let's select two campaigns that we want to compare. If we want to reset the graph and start over with your selection, we can go to Compare To and click on Clear Comparison. Let's move on to exporting stats. If we need to export this data, we're able to select Export Stats from the drop-down menu and select either a CSV file or a PDF file. If you run multi-channel marketing campaigns, you might like to export the email campaign data available and include the information in your overall marketing reports as a whole. In the dashboard, you will also see the data around device usage, top location, and also email clients. Remember, just like before, if you haven't selected any filters yet, the data shown will be the account-level information about the top devices your subscribers use to view your emails based, their top locations where they are opening your emails from, and what type of email clients they are viewing your emails in. The first pie chart shows you the top devices. In our example, you can see that most of the opens are coming from webmail. Next is desktop, and then lastly mobile. You will see the graph of the top location where your emails were opened. Please note that the geolocation on the map only provides an indication of the user's region or state. This is because subscribers often use VPN and to also account for variations in the data received from different email clients, which is outside of our control. The next pie chart is the type of email clients that the subscribers open your campaign with. Email clients are software applications that are used to access, manage, and send emails by subscribers such as Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, etc. This information makes it easier to make informed design decisions about how your email will appear once it's sent, and also gives you an indication of which email clients you should be viewing your campaigns in before you send out your campaign. This information is extremely useful when you run your pre-send tests. As you can see, our dashboard offers you a great overview of all your email marketing activities and can truly help you manage and direct where you want to go in terms of your email marketing goals. Thank you for supporting Mailblaze and learning more about how to use our platform. We want to help you grow, so if you get stuck at any point in time, please reach out to our support team via chat or by emailing support@mailblaze.com.